Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're tackling the bathroom. I've been hunting to change it, put a different, not much to change, but just my curtains and maybe some frames, I don't know. But yeah, guys, and my tub needed care. Guys, because I did bathe both of my dogs, so my tub needed care after that. So guys, this video is part of the open collaboration, Get It Done or Just Get It All Done. And this is hosted by the Prather Live every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I believe her time is 2 p.m. Central Time. I am not sure. I will leave the link to her channel in my description box for you to get your daily dosage of motivation. Yes. And also at the end of her videos, of the cleaning videos, she also shares a personal message, which is very inspiring for those people that have lost loved ones, like her, for example. She lost her mom, I believe. Yes, her mom. And myself, I lost my sister. And every time that I watch her video, I always want to get to that part. But yeah, before you get to that part of her videos, make sure you watch the whole video, guys. We put a lot to create these videos for you motivation. Alright, guys. I took everything, the curtains out and everything, just to avoid all that time there. There's no need for that time. You guys know I gotta take stuff out. And before I start messing with water, I'm going to sweep out here to get all whatever hair out of the bathroom, clean it up. Because guys, I do have 2 dogs, and even though the dogs don't be in the bathroom, but except my servant though, he comes to the bathroom when I'm in the shower, and he releases hair, and it gets yucky on the floor when I'm going to mop. So I'm going to do that, and we are going to continue. As you guys can see, my cleaning of choice for the walls, I either use Comet or Ajax for the top. I'm going to go grab my brush, so I don't have to be bending, because guys, it's been raining here where I'm at and my body is on fire. A lot of you guys know that I suffer from fibromyalgia and rheumatoid arthritis, and when it's raining, it's the worst. But yeah, let me grab the brush, guys. So the worst thing is not to wash your top at least twice out of the month. And it's going to be about a month for me. But yeah. So I'm going to be here for a while. Hopefully this process charged long enough to do that. So I'm going to do that, and when I scrub the wall and everything, even though the wall, you cannot see the dirt, but this time it looks filthy. I could actually see it All right, guys, so I'm going to do that and then we're going to continue to the rest of the bathroom. I'm basically finished. Now I'm just doing the corners. So after I do this, guys, I'm telling you, I love this brush. Before I have this brush, I have this and I tried two brushes from two different companies. And before I have these brushes, let me tell you, by the time I was done, I was in so much pain. Like I told you, if you have fibromyalgia or anything with the body system that prevents you from doing this type of work, guys, I recommend this brush 100%. If I found the link of it in my last video, I will link it in the description box, okay? Alright, that's that. Oh. I don't know, my husband is weird. He used bar soap and body wash as well. I only use body wash. Oh, Lord Jesus. Thank goodness, like I said, I didn't have to scrub this by hand. So, I don't know if you guys can see. Look at the top. Look. See that? Alright, I'm going to finish the top. I'm going to finish the top. I already scrubbed over here. We're going to be scrubbing the same thing. I'm going to be scrubbing with the brush over here. And then we're going to move on to decorate the bathroom, but then we have to clean the toilet and over here. Yeah. Ooh, slippery. Let me move you guys back over here. Because I move you guys out of the bathroom. So let me get the brush for the toilet because that I could use for the toilet as well, but I am not going to do that because I use these brushes for my kitchen as well. And no. In this bottle, I have bleach and water. Oh, Lord have mercy. Alright guys, I'm going to put everything here that I got in my sink back in the tub where it belongs. I'm going to get the mop so I can mop the floor and then clean the sink. Alright? So let me move you. Where I'm gonna move you guys. Maybe I'll move you guys over here. Alright. I mean, I could take them out of here and rinse them out of their hot water, but I don't want to go through all of that. I also wipe the wall on that side. So this is disinfectant wipes. So guys, I'm going to bring you guys right back for the final review. I'm going to wipe this down, wipe the mirror, and you guys going to see the reveal. Alright guys, I am done. It's simple. This is what my bathroom looks like. I decided to go with this shower curtain. You guys see it from maybe the last time I put it up, it was a couple of years ago. So I went for this one. I have beautiful messages, forgive, faith, you know, hope, love. So I changed I took out the butterflies and the flowers that I have up there. No, I didn't have flowers. I have butterflies up there. I took them out. Oh, and the gnomes. I took them out. I put the gnomes over here by the floor. And then I took the butterfly that I have there and I put that. And that is a set. So I put one there and one there because behind the door, nobody's going to see it. Right now, I don't have anything behind the door until I decide to put anything there. So, and I got it's like a silver beige. It's not white. It's like a light gray, like the floor. See? So I put the round one there, and I put this one here, which it matches with the shower curtain. So I want to thank the host for hosting this every Thursday and for us to be able to put our videos out there. And here I didn't do nothing. I just left it like it is. I got a little lantern there. That's a little flower. And I kept my extra shampoos and stuff there. All right, guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.